Updating your billing address with Dukhan Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your online banking account. Visit the Dukhan Bank website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Make sure you have a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to personal information. Once logged in, locate the section for personal information or account settings. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile. Step 3. Select billing address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter new address. Input your new billing address in the provided fields. Ensure that all information is accurate and complete to avoid any issues with your account. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new address, review the information for accuracy. Then, submit the changes and look for a confirmation message indicating that your billing address has been updated successfully. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation from Dukhan Bank regarding the update. Keeping your billing address current is important for receiving statements and other important communications.